Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to add a local printer in a Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 or Windows 7 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. It's work on the Epson, HP, Canon, Brother or any other manufacturer. It's work on the all printer manufacturer. If you have any printer, this process is work for you. So let's go to our video. It is a very easy and simple process. First go to the start. In a start, type printers and scanners. Type printers and scanners. Here we find printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, we find many options. Attach your printer by USB or your cable by your PC or laptop, and also power on your printer. And after that, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner, and in many cases it is automatically find your printer. In 99% it is not find your printer. Then we are going to the manually install. That is very simple. We find new option pop up at here. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click at here and close this, and here we find add a printer. Your printer is very old, then click at here. If your printer is 20 or 25-year old, then click at here. And if your printer is using by the IP addresses, then click at here, IP address or host name. If you're using Wi-Fi printer or the Bluetooth printer or network discoverable printers, then click at here. And if you're using printer with the USB or the network printer, then click at here. In my case, this is my printer, so I click on add a local printer. It's work with the USB or the network printer. Select the last option and click on the next. The IMP option is existing port. Click at here. Here we find 2 or 3 options IMP for us. First is the LPT one. You can select LPT port or select USB port. If you find LPT port, then select LPT port. If you find printer name with the port, then select that port. Or the best and reliable option is USB. Select USB, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004. Select any USB that you find and click on the next. Here we find many options. If you find the manufacturer, here we find HP and other options, then select that. And if you not find your manufacturer or the printer at this point, then the next option is Windows Update. Go to the Windows Update, wait for 5 to 10 minutes, 5, 10 or 15 minutes. And after that, our manufacturer list is full with the printers, and also select that manufacturer and the printer. So I click on the Windows Update and I wait for 5 to 15 minutes. Wait for a few minutes. After your Windows update is complete, your all manufacturer list, all printer list, HP, Canon, Epson and many other, there are many other printers. Select your printer from this. Select your printer, select any printer. HP, in my case this is my HP printer, so I select HP. If you are Canon or the Epson or the Brother, then select that printer manufacturer from here. And from this list we can select our printer. There are many printers in this option list. There are many IMP printers, so select your printer from the printer list. I select my printer. This is my printer. Select your printer and click on the next. Here give any name that you like. I go with the same name. You can give any printer name that you like. Click on the next. It's installing your printer and it takes 1 or 2 minutes depending on the printer driver size. If printer driver size is very large, then it takes 1 or 2 minutes. So wait for a few minutes to install our printer. Wait for a few minutes. Installation process is started at here and it takes few minutes. Wait for a few minutes. After 1 or 2 minutes, our installation is completed. After that, here we find do not share with this printer. I don't want to share this printer on network, so I select this. If you want, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finished. Next option is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your installed printer, that means your printer is properly installed in Windows 10 PC, Windows 10, Windows 8, 7 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.